Hi dear friends, this is your Calendar Years and welcome to another session of Jordan series. Today we are going to discuss about the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, that is SCO. So why this is important for Jordan? Because the Council of Head of Government meeting of SCO was held recently, and also in General Studies too, under International Relations a dedicated topic is there. That's why we should have a proper idea about what is actually the SCO all about. So let's start. So Shanghai Cooperation Organization, that is SCO. So in the post-Soviet era in 1996, in order to work on regional security, reduction of border troops and terrorism, Shanghai 5 groups were evolved. That group consisting of Russia, China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan. Later in 2001, the Shanghai 5 included Uzbekistan into the group and named it the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So SCO is a permanent intergovernmental international organization, and India and Pakistan joined the SCO as an observer, and they were admitted as full members in 2017. So now SCO consists of 8 members, that is Russia, China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, India and Pakistan. So in this organization, the Council of Head of State is the highest decision making body, and the Council of Head of Government is the second highest body. So here recently the meeting of Council of Head of Government was held. Also you should know that SCO has 4 observer states, that is Afghanistan, Iran, Belarus and Mongolia. So this is the very basic idea about SCO. Now let's check what are the objective of SCO. So the first one is strengthening mutual trust and neighborliness among the member state, and also promoting their effective cooperation in politics and trade, economy, research and technology, so on, and also making joint effort to maintain and ensure peace, security and stability in the region. Also to establish democratic, fair and rational new international political and economic order. Now next let's check the recent development in the SCO meeting. So India point out that asserting the terrorism, particularly the cross-border terrorism, is the biggest challenge the region is facing. Also India criticized Pakistan for using it as an instrument of state policy and called upon the SCO to combat the issue collectively. And also India asked to enforce internationally recognized legal statutes to comprehensively eradicate safe havens, infrastructure and financial networks supporting terrorism. And also India said that eradication of this threat will help the countries realize shared potential and create conditions for stable and secure economic growth and sustainable development. Also India said that to ensure stable economic growth, we have launched a new economic strategy, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Next let's see what are the challenges associated with the India in terms of SCO. So the first one is security concerns. So combating terrorism and drug trafficking are still a challenging issue for the SCO. So for India, the Pakistan-China relation in this grouping still a important concern. We know that the growing tension which is happening in the border area, and also making joint effort to maintain and ensure peace, security and stability in the region is one of the objective of this grouping also. And also it affects the relationship between India and Western nations like USA. We know that the SCO, also known as Eurasian Political, Economic and Military Organization. So maintaining a happy relationship between Western nations also a concern for India. So this is all about SCO, and before going to an end, let's check a model question. So the question is, why SCO is important for India to address the issues associated with India and neighborhood nations. Also evaluate the challenges associated with India in SCO. So here in this question we can start with SCO, that is put a brief idea about what is actually SCO, and then we can include the issues with our neighborhood nations, that is Pakistan, China etc., and put a solution for that, and finally include the challenges associated with SCO in terms of India. So finally you can end with a positive conclusion. So before that we can add some way forward. So this is for today to Jordan. Please keep supporting us and thanks for watching.